Hey everyone, I'm working on my 35 Workmaster New Holland. It won't start. Cranks, but it won't start, which tells me fuel, probably. So, this yellow wire, and this black wire, this should have 12 volts, which turns on the solenoid that lets fuel be pumped. So I don't have 12 volts here. So I trace the wire to here. This is under my dash. Then I traced that wire come over here to the other side to this cluster. This is bolted up here. This switch is bolted up here. I think it was right there. So it traces to right here, and it's a yellow and red. That tells me the red is hot to that yellow wire over there. So the next thing I'm gonna do to start it to see if this is my problem is get a hot wire from a battery, and if I plug, I don't want to plug into the yellow, I want to plug into this black, because that goes to here. So the next thing I'm going to do is try to run 12 volts to this black side here. Or if I plug it in back together, I can run it to the yellow. And see if that engages and lets the pump fuel. So if you ever wonder how to shut off a diesel, it takes the voltage away from here, which releases the solenoid, which shuts off the fuel, and then the diesel dies out. So I don't have any voltage, which means the solenoid doesn't open to let the fuel in. I'll let you know if that's my problem.